Check out this beautiful 2019 GMC Sierra. We have the UnderCover Elite LX painted to match truck bed cover on this multi-pro tailgate. This is a special metallic blue ice color. This is the UnderCover Elite LX. Wraps around the bed. We have the lockable feature. Push it up. You can check out the nice carpet headliner. It has a cargo retriever tool. It has a removable LED light. This is a custom fit to each truck with the clamp-on design, so no drilling's required. You're able to take off these one-piece lids pretty easily. You can pull down that strap, grab that handle. You can see how nice UnderCover does at designing this. It's all custom fit. When you lock it with the key, it's secure, and it matches the perfect color of this truck. So if you're looking for a painted to match truck bed cover, get the UnderCover Elite LX.